Hello, everyone. Welcome to NetSec Trend, curated by Nikhil Taneja.
A new Python-based malware called VVS Stealer has emerged, using advanced Pyarmor obfuscation to stealthily
harvesting Discord tokens, browser credentials, and session data from Windows users.
To understand how VVS Stealer stays hidden, we need to look at its multi-layered execution process. It doesn't just run, it unfolds in 4 distinct stages to evade security tools. Stage 1. The PyInstaller package. It all starts with a PyInstaller package. This is the delivery vehicle that bundles the malicious script into a single executable file, making it look like a standard Windows application to an unsuspecting user. Stage 2. Extraction to bytecode. Once the victim runs the file, the system extracts the underlying Python bytecode. At this stage, the malware is still packed, hiding its true intent from simple file scanners. Stage 3. Decompilation to source. The process then moves to decompilation, where the bytecode is turned back into Python source code. However, security researchers can't simply read this, has added one final, complex layer of defense. Stage 4. Decryption and Pyarmor execution. In the final stage, the source code decrypts the core malicious payload. This reveals 2 critical components, an ELF file and the Pyarmor protected bytecode. An ELF file and the Pyarmor protected bytecode. Because it's obfuscated by Pyarmor, the malware can harvest your Discord tokens and browser data while remaining almost invisible to signature-based detection. Ultimately, VVS Stealer represents a sophisticated shift in low-cost cybercrime, utilizing advanced Pyarmor obfuscation and PyInstaller packaging to evade traditional security detections while harvesting sensitive Discord and browser data. By deploying psychological tactics like fake, fatal error alerts, the malware ensures system persistence and hijacks active sessions through Discord injection attacks. This threat is particularly dangerous because it creates a self-perpetuating ClickFix loop, where attackers use stolen administrative credentials from legitimate businesses to host and distribute the malware, turning trusted corporate infrastructure into a weapon for future infections. Thanks for watching NetSec Trend. Stay vigilant, and I'll see you in the next update.